Want to unlock endless Disney, Pixar, Marvel, and Star Wars adventures using your Google Play credit? Let's dive right in. First, make sure you have the Disney Plus app downloaded from the Google Play Store. If you don't, go ahead and search for Disney Plus, then tap Install. Next, to redeem your Google Play credit, tap on your profile icon, usually located in the top right corner of the Google Play Store. A menu will appear. Select Payments and Subscriptions, then tap Redeem Gift Code. Enter the gift code you received. If you added credit to your Google Play balance already, you can skip this step. Now, open your Disney Plus app, sign in or create an account. Select your preferred subscription plan, either monthly or annual. You will see a subscribe button. Click it. Here's the magic. If you have sufficient Google Play balance, it will appear as a payment option. Select your Google Play balance and tap subscribe to complete your purchase. Congratulations! Your Disney Plus subscription is now active, paid for with your Google Play credit. If your Google Play balance doesn't appear, make sure you are logged into the correct Google account on both the Play Store and the Disney Plus app. You must also have enough credit to pay for the subscription. If it still isn't populating as a payment option, double-check that both addresses match. If you have any other questions, comment below. Until next time, thanks for watching.